Hi, we are Team Sin. The presenter of this presentation are Chiu Ji-an, Ralph Coit, and Chia Fu Nian. Today, we would like to talk about quality management in Fujitsu Semiconductor. Fujitsu Semiconductor is a subsidiary of Fujitsu Limited that is a Japanese multinational information technology, equipment and services company headquartered in Tokyo, Japan, started from June 1935. While Fujitsu Semiconductor, its headquarters is in Kohokuku, Yokohama, Japan. The Fujitsu Semiconductor Group specializes in large-scale integration and offer best solution services to various customer needs in large-scale integration ways such as ferroelectric ramp and foundry service. The R&D and manufacturing of Fujitsu Semiconductor is placed in many countries including United States, Germany, Korea, Singapore, Shanghai, and Hong Kong. According to market research company in 2015, Fujitsu Semiconductor climbed to rank 8 in the global semiconductor foundry market that previously ranked 10th in 2014 with a growth of 29.4% within 1 year. Fujitsu Semiconductor had received numerous number of awards including Microelectronics and Electronic Device Award regarding development of high reliability technologies for ferroelectronic random access memory and its mass production in 2014. Also awarded Okochi Memorial Technology Award of Japan in 2011. Innovation Awards by Wall Street Journal Technology in 2006. With invention of chemically amplified photoresist, awarded Japan Institute of Invention and Innovation in 2010. Fujitsu Semiconductor has its own system on ensuring the reliability of semiconductor devices by assigning every department tech responsibility in a product's development and manufacture, including technologies and manufacturing process and the control of materials. The quality department in every Fujitsu Semiconductor manufacturing plant will interact with the quality assurance division that act as overall center and control this overall system. The thesis statement of this assignment will be the overall contribution of all departments in Fujitsu Semiconductor is required in order to achieve total quality management.
Next, we'll talk about a couple of factors that Fujitsu Semicon took to ensure that the quality of the product is assured. To begin with, Fujitsu Semicon deeply believed that human resources are the most basic and fundamental element to ensure quality and reliability. To achieve this goal, Fujitsu Semiconductor Quality Assurance Division provide extensive and continuous personal training regarding the job scope at every level and each department of the company. Their goal is to train their employees to think creatively and to turn their ideas into product, benefiting their company. Apart from that, in Fujitsu Semiconductor, employees also receive quality control education and training in which they learn how to improve product quality by employing consistent quality goals. This training also helps to improve overall employee morale. In addition to performing regular quality control checks at each production stages, each employee is also given the opportunity to independently applying the training result to perform autonomous self-check, which they aim to ensure quality and reliability and to identifying non-conforming products as rejected early on. Fujitsu Semiconductor Quality Assurance Department also implement multiple training for the new recruits, assuring that they are well prepared for the job before starting to operating it. As we can see from the picture, employee is categorized into different groups depending on their role in the company. For instance, different level of rank is required to take different courses. An employee with specific duties are required to take special courses as well. And on the next slide is a list of training that new employees need to go through before joining the company officially. For instance, like the company outline, the outline of semiconductors, quality control, the explanation of safety and sanitary, conformity activities, explanation of standardization, quality management system, environment and management system. They also have the on-the-job training, for example, inspection. They need to understand the basic knowledge and inspection based on specification, and training in areas other than inspection. How to summarize data? Defecting analysis, SPC, and completion of control. To ensure the overall reliability of semiconductor device, Fujitsu Semiconductor Quality Assurance Division involved the allocation of responsibility to all departments engaged in a product's development and manufacture, including the technology and manufacturing process and the control of material. The Quality Assurance Divisions control this overall system. Quality Assurance Department and each of Fujitsu Semiconductor manufacturing plants interact with Quality Assurance Division, which function as an overall center for assuring quality and reliability. Apart from inspecting the product performed by Quality Assurance Department, other departments also contribute to TQM in their own way. Firstly, for the development stages of the product, design, process assembly, and testing department is responsible in the development of the reliability design, process development, and design review of the product. They are required to combine and compound the customer quality requirement into exact specification and tolerance. Then they need to choose an appropriate materials for the customer to be used in their product, while assuring that the quality of their product is safe, can be repaired easily, and maintained easily and in the long run. After that, process division is required to develop the procedure in order to manufacture in a mass production. And last but not least, the assembly and testing department also need to run multiple experiments in order to identify the problem existed in the flow or adequacies. After that, they need to initiate correction action in the process to ensure the final design meets the customer expectation and requirement. Next, in the production stages, which consists of purchasing department, manufacturing department, testing department, and facilities engineering department. For purchasing department, they are responsible of buying raw materials and components with the buyer. They need to ensure the buyer is trustworthy and capable of producing quality products that meets the conformance and standard of the customers, while not keeping the price within the budget. Usually, a supplier quality survey is conducted by the purchasing department by visiting the supplier's plants and audit the overall performance. And for the manufacturing department, they are responsible to provide a quality product. Although products might be able to inspect by QA department later on, however, a lot of inbuilt component is very crucial to the operation of the final product. A quality operating management will greatly improve the productivity and the final product. Apart from that, testing department will also be responsible for the auditing and inspection of the product while it's being developed. And also the final testing is run to make sure the condition of the product is achieved as what is intended. And finally, they have the facilities engineering department, which is responsible for the overall facilities cleanliness as well as safety. Responsible might include line work on a daily basis before the plant start, make sure everything is clearly stated and in place for easy access, enforcing 5S in the workplace environment, and also auditing the plant in a monthly basis for cleanliness and safety purposes.
The quality assurance system structure consists of 4 stages. These 4 stages is interrelated with each other. In the first stage, which is a planning stage, information and market research is done to find out what product or service is needed in the market. The project goal and customer requirement is defined. Later on, device design department will plan the product process and review the development of planning. In the second stage, which is design and experimental development, the design of the product planning will be reviewed by engineering department, and this department will further review on the technical side. Pilot production will be undergo after that. New method of process and system will be tested based on product's characteristic and reliability evaluation. Engineering standard will be established for quality purpose. The product will be reviewed again by Quality Assurance Division. After that, manufacturing plant will do pilot mass production that to test system when under mass production. Then Quality Assurance Department will test the product for characteristic evaluation and quality test after pilot mass production complete. Quality Assurance Division will review the mass production again. During the third stage, which is mass production stage, initial shipping control will be implemented. Mass production stability will be reviewed before manufacturing process undergo. During the manufacturing process, many departments will be involved, such as production control department will control the product and material of the product. Facility maintenance department will do maintenance on the process equipment. QA inspection and statistical process control will assist during the process. Final test will undergo by testing department after product is produced. Reliability monitoring tests will run in the shipping inspection. The products will be transported to warehouse, ship and delivery to demanded place. In the last stage, where customer already using the products, customer complaints will be handled. Failure analysis will be implemented to locate the problems. When it is the product quality problem, this problem will submit back to stage 2 to do certain correction and improvement regarding the quality of the product.
This is the QC flow diagram. It shows how QC is going to operate when getting raw material from suppliers or from other plants.
The first approach that Fujitsu Semiconductor applied is failure mode effect analysis, which in short is called as FMEA. FMEA is both a corrective and preventative process used to confirm the implementation of measures designed to deal with anticipated faults. Fujitsu Semiconductor's FMEA refers to the evaluation level described by AIAG manual, then evaluates severity, occurrence, and detection by 10 levels. By implementing FMEA in product design and processes, the generation, detection, and effects of all possible failures and their causes are evaluated. A risk priority number is formed by combining the values recorded for each item. If the risk priority number is 100 points or more, Fujitsu Semiconductor will analyze the cause and mechanism of the fault occurrence, then improves it and confirm improvement effect by recalculating the risk priority number. Moreover, regardless of risk priority number points, the process where severity is high, which is 7 points or more, is given priority and improved. The diagrams show FMEA flow and the process of FMEA. Failure analysis and identification of root causes is also one of the approach used by the company. The company will monitor for faults during the production and analyze the causes of defective products. These results are then used as feedback to the production process. Furthermore, all returned product that the company receives from customer will also be carefully examined and suitable measures will be taken to prevent recurrence. Analytical feedback which can directly improve reliability will then be provided to the concerned groups. Customer complaints are first directed to the sales or customer support departments. Information is then passed on to the reliability and QA departments for electronic and physical analysis to determine the cause of the failure. Related division will then take appropriate measures based on the results of this analysis. In addition, in order to fully correct the problem, similar measures will be taken at all of the manufacturing facilities. The diagram shows the flow of failure analysis. In customer claim and complaint handling, whenever a customer complaint arises, the Reliability and Quality Assurance Department responds with an interim report within 2 days of receipt of the customer complaint. The department then produces a final report within 2 weeks of receipt of the customer complaint. For customer claims that is informed from customer to QA department, the department will then take initiative and the investigation or improvement action is executed using the 8D methodology, namely team formation, problem description, interim containment actions, root cause analysis, corrective actions, verification of corrective actions, preventive actions, and team and individual recognition. The investigation result is then reviewed by related section of the company and necessary corrective action will be executed. Then the result will be reported to the customer. In conclusion, quality assurance plays a very essential role in a company for long-term purpose. Fujitsu Semicon's Quality Assurance Division have implemented multiple levels of program and tools to assure the quality of their product fulfill the expectation of their customer. The thesis statement of this assignment is found to be valid. Thank you.